Welcome back, everybody. My name is Justin. I'm here with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, 627 Boston Post Road. We're actually going to be talking about this brand new Sea Ray SPX 230. The interesting thing about this 230 line is it gives you ample space in the cockpit to enjoy while running up and down the Connecticut River or the Long Island Sound. I wanted to talk a little bit about the space. It's the most space of a boat this size. So what you have here is, if you step in, you can see the cockpit on the starboard side has a bench seat. On the port side, this easily moves and turns into a bench or a lounger, or your passenger can be sitting forward. Your helm seat swivels, lifts, goes forward and back to give you ample room to sit and entertain when you're anchored or while underway and you're locked into position, where everybody can still hear and talk to each other while on the water. The boat's equipped with a 200 Mercury V6. Now the boat standard is a 150. This boat is upgraded. It also has a convenient tow bar for water sports. This sun deck on the back is a great spot to lay or sit while on the river or on the sound, or just lay down and gandering at the sky as you're enjoying the warm weather. As we move forward, you can see that it does have a bimini top, and it is easily convertible where you can roll it up and stow it. This boat does come equipped with a head, and on a 23-foot boat, as you know, head space and head room is very difficult. They provide the maximum amount of space for that. Huge storage container there. And as we move forward here, you can see this bow has plenty of room, as I'm 6 feet, to sit and relax while either anchored or underway. This boat does come equipped with the insert, so you can make this a complete pad. As we back up, you can see that it does have a multifunctional Simrad MFD multifunctional device where you can conveniently track where you're going, follow where you're going, and it's nice and easy touch screen. It makes it much easier for the helmsman to operate. One of the coolest features of this boat, as we back up, I want to turn around here. The storage area underneath is all enclosed, where you have bow table for the cockpit, and you can conveniently store all your water sports, your toys, for a complete day on the water. Come on down to MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. Come see me. My name is Justin, 627 Boston Post Road. We look forward to seeing you. Come check out this great boat or the lineup we do have. Until then, have a great day.